Okay, we are minimally set up. I can't keep the dead kitten windscreen on there right at the moment because it gets in the way. I have to figure out a way to raise it up just a wee bit higher, about an inch. And even then it will probably get in the way in a windstorm, but who cares? If I'm outside in a windstorm with that thing, I deserve what I get. But, oh, good morning, everyone! So, yeah. The case came in today. Color me surprised. I like it, even though they sent me the one that's for the Hero 3 Plus, and this is a Hero 4. I distinctly ordered a Hero 4. Doesn't matter, because it fits. I tried it once with the microphone and once without the microphone. Buyer beware when you buy the cable for $3 off of the internet. You get what you pay for. This cable is not in stereo. So I will, I guess, purchase the cable that is stereo compatible. Although this one said it was stereo compatible, I should have known better. You know, $3 as compared to the $20 for the GoPro one. Other than that, everything seems to be peachy. Oh, I just sold Sarah Dietschy's stuff there. Everything is awesome. There we go. Awesome. I don't have a catchphrase, nor do I need one. The only phrase I need is, gosh darn it, why isn't everything working the way I planned? I had planned to be in stereo by now. I also had the cable just kind of wound around everything, so it may or may not drop down inside of the camera view at some point in time. Yep. Lovely day. Okay. I'm sure Desiree wants me to actually pick her up, so I should probably stop filming while I'm driving. So, talk to you in a bit. Well, it's still raining. I don't think there's going to be any fireworks tonight. I have not checked yet. I could be wrong. But from the saturation point, I would say probably not. What kind of maniac would have fireworks in this? It's all wet. It's all wet. Wet. Sorry. Got intrigued by the flashing lights. So, you know, while you're watching this, considering all the things, I'm going to do my best to not have to doctor any of the sound. So in the comments, I want you to tell me which sounds better, the older vlogs or this one. In the comments, you know how to use them. Well, at least 2 of you do. No offense to the other 7 people who've subscribed to me. I'm sure you could figure it out if you had a few lessons on internet ticket. Like, you know, clicking in the comment section can be very complicated for some. Every once in a while you'll hear a rumble of thunder. Haven't seen any lightning yet. That would be a much better fireworks show than anything we could do. God's fireworks. Yeah. Yeah. There's a stupid person standing well in front of me now. Apparently she decided she needs to have a cigarette at this moment. because she likes to stink it up while I'm out here. Go. Yep. It's my wayward teenage daughter. Well, she's not a teenager anymore. She's old now. She's 20. One more year she'll be able to drink, and then she'll become an alcoholic and become a cat lady and live on her own in a trailer. And unless she finally finds a man who isn't a complete and utter loser piece of crap. No offense, Desiree.
None taken.
Wait a minute, say it again for the camera.
None taken.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted them to, I don't want people to think I'm being an... Oh, fireworks. Scary. There's a golden over there. I'm sure you can't see it because it's far away and the lens pushes everything even further away. But it was there, trust me. He's a good dog. He just stays right in his yard. The only time he ever runs out of the yard is if you throw his ball or stick. Go figure. Whereas we've discovered my dog will bolt if he sees something he wants. So he is now no longer allowed outside without a leash or leash or rope on. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Out driving in the rain in the neighborhood. I forgot to take the lens cap off. Had to drop off my little girl at her friend's. It is raining. I wasn't going to make her walk in this crap. Well, I considered it, but that would just be mean. And I'm not a mean daddy. Oh, there is a stop sign there. Now I don't know which way to go. I guess this way. You know, I don't get so far out around in this neighborhood. I really don't know my own subdivision very well. That's kind of sad, ain't it? Not a lot has been accomplished today. Cooked dinner, blah blah blah. Didn't do anything that somebody wanted apparently, even though they never asked me to. Broke into the old Mike's lemonade. Not enough that I'm dangerous. Don't worry. I'm perfectly sober. Sober. There, see? I'm sober. They called off the fireworks for tonight because it's raining. Big wussies. It's not like they're going to cause any fires. It'll go out. They've had them call them off because it was too dry. Now they've called it off because it's too wet. What the hell do they want? Sheesh. Perfectionists, I tell you. Perfectionists. It's the setup, I don't know. I like it, but it's a little awkward. I don't know how, but I'm going to test this cord out and see if it's the cord that makes it not work stereo or if it's the microphone, because there are a list of microphones on their website that they say work with this. This is not one of them, but by all accounts it should work. I mean, it's just a microphone going into a plug. Stereo plug, stereo microphone. Should be in stereo, but it's not. That almost sounded like Let It Go. Let it go. No. No, not that song. Anyway, having a party. They have a little tent out. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I should have thought of something like that. Of course, those things are kind of expensive, and for no more than I'd use it, it'd be kind of a waste, don't you think? Yes, I do. Turn these stupid windshield wipers off. Take the seatbelt off. Oh, yes. Make sure it's in park before I let loose of the brake. Do not want to be one of those people who drives through the garage door. I fully plan on going to the gym tonight. So, yeah, I don't expect anything exciting to happen between now and then. So I am going to say, peace, rock on, and it's going to be harder to get to the lens. See you tomorrow.